Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add a basemap in QGIS using the QuickMapServices plugin. A basemap gives you a background, like a street map or satellite image, so you can better visualize your data. Let's get started. First, open QGIS. At the top, go to the Plugins menu and click Manage and Install Plugins. In the search bar, type QuickMapServices. When it appears, click on it, and then click Install Plugin. After it's installed, you should see a new globe icon in your toolbar. If you don't see it, go to View, Toolbars, Web, and make sure it's checked. Now, click the QuickMapServices icon or go to Web QuickMapServices. By default, you'll only see a couple of options, usually OSM Standard and NASA Global Mosaic. Let's start by choosing OSM Standard. Click it, and the OpenStreetMap basemap will load behind your project. This is a simple street map that's great for general use. But if you want more basemap options like satellite imagery or topographic maps, there's one extra step. Go back to Web, QuickMapServices, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, go to the More Services tab. Click Get Contributed Pack. This will unlock a large collection of additional basemaps, including Google, Bing, Esri, and more. Once the pack is loaded, go back to QuickMapServices, OSM, and you'll notice more OpenStreetMap styles, like humanitarian or cycle maps. You can also explore other categories like Google Satellite, Esri imagery, or topographic maps. Just click the one you want, and it will appear as the new basemap. If you want to remove or change basemaps later, just uncheck or delete the layer in your Layers panel. And that's it. You've successfully added a basemap to QGIS using QuickMapServices, starting with OpenStreetMap and unlocking more options. In the next video, I'll show you how to create your own shapefiles and start adding points, lines, and polygons. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more easy-to-follow QGIS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and let's keep going.